qualification line.
Let's hear from Colton Herta.
Definitely sounded like one and felt like when it happens it might. So yeah, it sucks. Luckily we're kind of early in the order. Hopefully we can get another engine in the thing and get back out here to do a proper run. But yeah, I was ready to go. Interesting to see what the Cambridge Honda could have done. But luckily it's still early on and this didn't happen later in the day.
Optimistic, Colton Herta.
Now just remember that even though we started an hour earlier, weather permitting, the track is going to be open until 5:50 p.m. for qualifications. So time remaining for the Andretti Autosport team to swap that engine out.
Getting into this is Alex Palou, second place finisher from a year ago. The Spaniard from Chip Ganassi Racing, who's been awfully strong as well. He is over in turn number 3. Next time by, we'll give him the green.
2:33.7, the best lap in the morning warm-up for Alex Palou.
Let's see if he can hammer it right now. Green flag waving for Alex Palou. Warm up a strong 219. 219 on the warm-up.
That is within hundreds.
On this first lap headed for turns number 3. This has been the marker for those big speeds. He's at 240. So he hit 240 in turn 3.
Hit it and held it for a couple seconds.
Did. Here he comes off of 4. Big potential here for Alex Palou on this run. Lap number 1, 233.588. Second quickest. 233.588.
Palou's 233.5. VK's second lap was 233.9.
Turn 3. Riding with him on the video board. 4. Halfway home for Palou. Lap number 2, still over 233 miles an hour. 233.175. Still second. Puts him up front.
Laps in the 500-mile race last year, wound up finishing as the runner-up to Helio Castroneves. That thrilling fight they had back and forth in the last segment of the race, leaving Palou coming away saying, lessons learned, now I want to go back and get one for me.
Well, here he is trying to qualify again. This is lap number 3. White flag for Alex Palou. Lap 3, 232.607. Average speed still 233.1. He's still second.
And those left side tires about as low as you could go at the apex of turn number 2 without getting onto that concrete strip, which you don't want to do. Same in turn 3. Here he comes to the final corner.
Yeah, you want to stay off that light-colored concrete right there. Here he comes to the checkered flag. Alex Palou in the 10 machine. Qualifying for his third Indianapolis 500. 231.734. Average speed close to 233. He's at 232.774, and he went from second